Okay, second year, for our second task today, we're going to have a wee look at this website here called Kano. Now this is a wee website I've looked at before and never done anything with, so I'd like us to get a wee bit of feedback in this and let me know what you think, because it might be something to look to bring into the course into the future. So this is a wee block coding program similar to Scratch you might have used in primary school, and it's just lots of little wee things to have a go with and to play about with. I'm going to show you the first one just now, levitate a feather. So you're given challenges for each bit and instructions to go through to walk you through it. So in this challenge, use the code to levitate a feather using your mouse. Next, use the when the app starts block to run the code as soon as the app starts. Open the events tray over here. Now everything's nicely labelled to let us know where everything is, which is great. So there's my events. When the app starts, I'll click it there. Next up, we need objects. And again, this one here, everything's labelled. We're dragging this one in here, and that's an owl been dropped onto our book there. But in this case, what we're after is actually a feather. So we're just going to go through our menu till we find feather. There we go. And we need to stop it falling to the ground. So back into our objects. And apply that and change pin to freeze, and that's going to stop it falling, so that's it hovering in the air. We're going to add a bit of code here. This wee bit of code is a loop. It's going to repeat stuff over and over and over again. In this case, it's going to do something every 1 millisecond. So millisecond being 1,000th of a second. Set position of the feather using the positions block, so into physics again. Object set position, that one there. And we have to add a new part to our menus. So down the bottom, we've got add parts. Add in the mouse. Click on the mouse. I'm going to put mouse X onto our X block, and mouse Y onto our Y block there. So we're going to set position of all to X, wherever the mouse is, on the X coordinate, and Y, wherever the mouse is, on the Y coordinate, and that's exactly the same as it is if you were using coordinates in maths, your X and Y grids. So right now, feather's moving around, still got a wee bit more left. I'm going to add another part in for the speaker. We're after the speaker loop, just to rifle at home and get some noises playing, changing one cast to one loop. There we go, we can move the feather about and everything is absolutely fine. You click next here. We've got a wee challenge added on to the end of it. Can we levitate something other than a feather? This is where you get to play about with it. So our task is actually finished, what we're looking for, but we can still play around with it, we can still add more stuff on, and we've still got all these extra stuff that's just been unlocked. So instead of a feather, let's go with that spider thing. So levitate the spider around. Anything else we can add on? Didn't declare that one. I have no idea what most of this is doing, but let's play around with it and see what we can do. Do that and see what happens. That's new. Right, so once you've worked around with it, open it over here, click on next challenge, and it'll take us back to our main screen here. Now there are 5 activities here, and I would say we could all manage levitate a feather and summon Bertie-bots every flavour beans. Most of us should be able to manage create fireworks at Fizz and Bang and play music with Yo ball instruments, and some of us will manage to control the flying car as well. So like I was saying, we've not used this before. I'd like a bit of feedback. Let me know in comments in Google Classroom or an email. Did you enjoy this? Do you think it is good? Should we do more of it? And if you can send us any screenshots of anything you've got, anything cool you've managed to make, that would be absolutely brilliant. I will leave a wee document attached to Google Classroom for screenshots to get pasted onto. Good luck everyone, and we will see you next week. Enjoy your weekend.